on the desk, and on the go. It's myOrganized.life live, March 7th, 2019.
You know what today is?
March 7th.
Yes, my dad's birthday.
Oh,
and my good friend Carrie. So hello,
Wow.
Happy birthday to both.
Dual birthdays today. You know, that's one thing when you get in the inner circle of this show.
Yes.
So
Start
if you're one of our
knowing
10 viewers, you get to have your shout out on your birthday. Now, if you'd like your birthday shout out, just put it in the comments.
Yeah, do it.
Listen, we pander to anybody who watches this show, right?
Yes, exactly.
What is this show? This is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, do shout outs on birthdays to the inner circle.
Yep.
And
Thursdays.
Thursday Solution Day.
Solution Day.
Yeah. And we'll have to remember, by the way, because we're in like the Hunt birthday streak where every 2 weeks, we didn't shout out to my wife's birthday on the 27th.
Yes. Well, sure, I thought we did.
No, we didn't.
No, okay.
And then on the 12th is the next one, and then we have the 29th, and then we have April 17th, and then we have April 22nd.
Wow.
So anyway.
Lots of birthdays, and yours is hanging out in August.
Yes.
You're the
I'm
lone
the summer
wolf
one.
out
Yes.
there.
Okay.
Okay.
So
anyway, so
what
today,
do you got for a solution? What's our problem?
Our problem is when you want to organize on your desktop, but you need those same papers on the go.
On the go, because you have a meeting or whatever.
Yes. Or you need to take it home or whatnot.
Yes. Now, we've shown other solutions for this. So
Yes, we have.
This is not the only way, but this is a product that we have.
It's the Poly Desktop Organizer. Let's put up the slide.
Yes.
70845.
Okay.
It's black, it's poly, it's durable.
Yes.
And right now I have it closed.
This is in the, what would you call this? The attaché mode or the on the go. Like it looks like a little kind of briefcase thing or something you'd take to a meeting, right?
Yes, yeah, definitely.
You'd think that.
You would think that.
You would think that, and if you went to a meeting, you'd open it up and you'd say, okay, I need to get my papers out. We can show that this actually has...
It's got 12 pockets.
12 different pockets.
They all are tabbed, and it comes with this sheet of inserts here.
Well, let's look
monthly,
to the close-up camera.
Monthly and
very
I can't
colorful.
read them because he took them away.
Sideways.
So
chicka, 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 chicka. Or like
that would be a better one, yeah.
Yeah. So those can actually fit in the little tabs.
Monthly or alphabetically.
Yeah, monthly.
And alphabetically.
Alphabetically. Yeah. So you could do it 2 different ways.
Right.
But yeah, so it's great. So you can have a lot of information in here. I don't know how many. It says right here, it holds 900 sheets of paper.
Wow.
That would be like you need like a dolly cart or something to carry this thing to a meeting. But
if you have that many and you want to just keep it on your desktop, it opens up.
Let's see it now as the
transform. You want to see it in action? Okay.
Transform
see
it
if
to
I
the
can do
desktop
this
version.
in one take here. Let's see.
Like
have
this. Because the show is live,
I know.
so you have no retakes.
I know.
You better not screw this up.
There we go. So then, look at it. It's kind of, this is
and
just
the more papers you have,
the more papers, it's more sturdy it's going to be. But
kind of look at the
it's
side.
kind of got this little.
So this can kind of take place of your active file that you have on the top of your desk, so you don't keep this in a drawer. Although you could probably fit it in a drawer too.
Well, and you said there's a hanging version.
Yeah, there is a hanging version of this,
which we don't have with us. That's for another show.
That's another solution for another day.
Yes. So anyway, look at this expands like.
That is huge. 900 sheets of paper.
Huge.
That's almost 2 reams of paper.
How many are in a ream?
500 usually.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a.
That was like 1,000.
But that's they're never that tight, tightly together. You put 900 there, normally like this probably goes out like that.
Yeah, probably.
So
anyway, then when you're done on your desktop, oh shoot, I've got to
go to a meeting.
I've got to go. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Look at that. Boom,
Fold that over, boom.
It's like almost like a James Bond thing, isn't it? You didn't realize I had a desk folder.
Yep. Exactly. Okay. So there it is. Poly Desktop Organizer number 70845.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you what, that is a great solution for someone who wants to be on the desktop or on the go.
Yeah, exactly.
And on the go, we should probably talk that we need to
get going.
Yep. But tomorrow, Friday,
your favorite show, Blogger Roundup.
Blogger Roundup. You don't want to miss that.
And don't ask because I haven't started looking for them
So
yet.
have you started looking for them?
I just said don't ask.
Okay.
I know.
Well, it's good for people to kind of
It's been a busy week.
It has been a very.
We have a new person starting.
Yes. Shout out to Jackie.
Shout out to Jackie. Hi, Jackie.
Yeah, she better not be watching. She better be working. She's on her first week on the job.
She is.
You don't want her sitting here
she told
watching
me
this show,
she watched some of our old shows last night.
Oh, she did.
Mm-hmm.
So that was nice. Really bored at home.
Well, she's just getting to know her company.
Get to know her company. Yeah, I mean, if you really want to know These shows are action-packed.
Yeah, they are.
With a bunch of humor, or attempts of humor.
Attempted humor.
And solutions, and blogger roundups, and podcasts on Wednesday, and you can get
Yesterday's was a great podcast.
That was good with Lisa Montanaro. Okay.
Okay, anyway, tomorrow we'll be back at 2 Central.
Yes, which is?
3 Eastern, noon Pacific.
Good. Right here on myOrganized.life live. Get organized in color at myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.